Create an irresistible lead magnet that gives your subscriber an easy win. Notice that my blueprint only has 5 steps. Blueprint is meant to be short and easy. It is not writing a book. What's up and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs and business owners. Before we begin, I'm just going to quickly explain why you need a lead magnet. You want to nurture people before you sell to them, and a lead magnet is a great way to get new people onto your list. Enticing them with an irresistible lead magnet is going to make your job so much easier when you are ready to sell. So let's dive in now. The first element of an irresistible lead magnet is speaking to your audience's struggles. How much money you can earn today is equivalent to how much you know about your target audience. Your ideal audience won't be able to resist your lead magnet if it speaks directly to a problem that they are experiencing. Do not create a lead magnet for the sake of creating. Your purpose of a lead magnet is to get them into your email list so that you have a database that you own. So before you start creating your irresistible lead magnet, ask yourself these questions. How do my products, services, or content serve my target audience? How can I make something easier for my audience to understand? What struggles do they have as it relates to your offerings and expertise? I'm going to give you an example and walk you through a snippet of my lead magnet. Here's a screenshot of my lead magnet called the Business Success Blueprint. If you want to model my entire lead magnet, feel free to download it. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. I know that my point B, my ultimate goal of creating this lead magnet is to help business owners to get more customers and more leads into their business. Since it is generally easier to work backwards, if I now know my point B, I want to be working backwards and ask myself, what is the point A? What are the typical ways business owners use to drive traffic into their business which are not working? What are their pain points? It can be a few ways. Maybe they are using old school methods like passing around business cards, passing around flyers, hanging banners, hiring sales and marketing staff to do roadshow events. Try posting stuff online but doesn't have consistent sales. Don't really know how online marketing works. All these could be the reasons that are preventing them from driving more traffic into their business. So my blueprint needs to solve these problems. Otherwise, my target audience won't want it. I then use this and break it down into a 5 steps overview which can help them to go from point A to point B. You might now have this question in your mind, but Clara, what if I don't really know my target audience's pain points? The best way to do this is to perform a market research on Facebook group, like this. I literally just ask, as a business owner, what do you struggle the most? The ones who reply will definitely be my target audience telling me their struggle. Otherwise, they won't even be bothered replying to my question. From their replies, I know that they are struggling with time management, no customers, sales and marketing. So not only can I poll these people, I can even send them my lead magnet directly and get them into my email list for free. Your lead magnet needs to solve a core problem your audience has as well as relates to what it is that you offer. Second, give them an easy win. Create an irresistible lead magnet that gives your subscriber an easy win. Notice that my blueprint only has 5 steps. Blueprint is meant to be short and easy. It is not writing a book. Your irresistible lead magnet shouldn't offer everything under the sun. All that's going to do is to overwhelm your audience and they will end up taking no action, which is what we do not want. Your lead magnet should be very targeted and specific. Though you may offer a variety of services and products, you do not want to create a lead magnet that covers every single topic related to your services and products. I have a lead magnet that specifically helps business owners to get more leads into their business, and another lead magnet that's specifically helping business owners on how to use Facebook. Notice that I'm targeting the same group of people, but I separated the ultimate goal I want to get them to. This will help you long-term in selling your products or services because your audience will then associate the reward they achieve after implementing your lead magnet with you. Because you are the one that gave them the advice and tools necessary to earn the win. They will be even more motivated to buy from you in the future. Third, well designed. The design of your lead magnet matters because it shows that you are professional and that you are taking your business seriously. You don't want your free lead magnet to look cheap, otherwise they won't be convinced to purchase from you down the road. First, impressions are everything. No matter what you are promoting as your lead magnet, whether it's a checklist, workbook, ebook, or any other type of opt-in, you want it to be simple to understand and easily consumable. Don't overcomplicate things. Think of the type of lead magnets that entice you to opt in. They are probably well designed, simple, and easy to consume, right? The most important part of the design is the outlook of the lead magnet. There are already so many business owners and entrepreneurs out there who are giving out lead magnets. So in order for people to buy into yours and click your lead magnet, it has to be appealing. I know that most of us are not designers, and this ebook that you are seeing right here isn't designed by me. I just spent $10 and outsourced this task to a freelancer I hired in Fiverr.com, and you can do that as well. I hope that this video is easy for you to understand. Let me know in the comment down below if this is useful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video.